Hi everyone, welcome to Premiere. So we're going to do a little exercise doing some basic stuff in it. So we're going to start by making a new project. This opening screen will vary depending on what version of Premiere you have. So what you're looking at may be a little bit different than what I got here. But you'll have a button that says New Project. Click on that and you're going to get this panel. Name this whatever. I'm going to call mine Cruise. And I'm going to save it to the desktop in this case. And I'm going to click OK. So here we are. Here's the interface to Premiere, sort of similar to After Effects, a little different, but kind of the same thing. The big difference right here is the project panel is in the lower left corner. This is where we're going to import all the assets we're going to use in making our video. All the video clips, audio clips, pictures, logos, artwork, whatever, it's all going to go here. In After Effects, it was in the upper left corner. Instead, we have the source monitor here, and next to it is the main monitor on the right, and in the lower right corner is the timeline, and we all know timelines now. Importing is basically the same. You can go to File and Import, or what I like to do is just go right to the panel and double click on it. Simple as that. I'm on my desktop. I'm going to go to the Cruise video clips. These are available on Google Drive for you. And I'm going, now I can import the entire folder, and that would be called a bin then once it's in the program. But in this case, I'm just going to import the individual clips instead. Select them all, import. And here they are right here. Now this is list view, so we see the name of everything, right? And this is list view right here. We can also look at them in icon view, and we see thumbnails for all the video. Now, again, just like After Effects, real estate is tight. So remember the tilde key trick. So that's the key that's underneath the escape key. You hit tilde, and then whatever panel you're on will get blown up and fill the screen. Down here is a little scrolly thing that will enlarge or decrease the size of the thumbnails. You can scrub the thumbnails to see what's on the video clip. Tilde. And I'm going to go back to that. All right, so before we do anything, remember how we had to keep making compositions in After Effects? Same deal here, except we're going to go File, New, and instead of calling it compositions, they're called sequence. Okay, so we're going to make a sequence. You're going to see all this little stuff here. Go to HDV and go to the third one down. I think it's the third one down on all of them. HDV 1080-24. Okay, this isn't really going to matter. We're going to be changing this with a little trick. But HDV 1080-24 will be our starting point. And we're going to click OK. So here's our sequence. It's been created. So click on any one of the clips here on the left. And we're going to do a quick trick to make sure all our settings are correct, because everybody's shooting their video with different kinds of cameras, different kinds of phones. So there's a lot of different codecs out there. And I certainly don't know them all. So the best way to make sure that everything is set correctly is to grab one of the clips and pull it into the timeline, right? You see how I'm doing that? And I'm going to get this little warning box. This clip does not match the sequence's settings. Change sequence to match the clip's settings. We don't want to keep the existing settings because why? They're wrong. They don't match the video that we're going to be editing. So we do want to change the sequence settings. So click on that. And now everything is set correctly. So select this video clip here and delete.